Hello and greetings from Santa Fe Resort. We are here tonight to discuss to you Ilonggo words that have to do with swimming. Show us your kapa-kapa moves. Kapa-kapa. Kapa-kapa. Splash. And that's called tampisaw. This one is called tampisaw. What is kapa-kapa in English?
Water treading.
Water treading. What is swim in Ilonggo?
Langoy.
Langoy. So, do you know how to swim?
Yes.
Show us how you swim.
Okay.
Taas man ko. Gano'n tao man ko.
Wala ka tingin.
Yaj move.
Dapat mo tiyon nila.
1, 2, 3, go.
Dapat.
That's not swimming, that's walking. So, Wara will show us how to salom. Sisid. Oh, sige, go. Go, Wara.
Sisid.
Oh, there. Wara is swimming like a fish. So that, you call that sisid. Sisid. Or salom also. Salom is diving underwater. Julio, what swimming moves will you show us tonight?
Breaststroke.
Breaststroke.
In the Ilonggo, breaststroke is
Pinaka.
atake sa dugan.
Style.
Dog style. The dog paddle.
Okay.
So the dog paddle in Ilonggo is called inido. The root word is ido and inido. With sound effects. There goes Yaj. Swimming like a dog and barking like a dog. Moves do we have?
Tusmaw, tusmaw.
Tusmaw, tusmaw. So tusmaw is called dipping. So if you don't know how to swim, like when you just dip, it's called tusmaw. All right. Scissors kick. Was floating, lutaw. Floating. Floating. That's what you call a jellyfish float.
I'm floating.
Lumos. Lumos is another word which means to drown. Is there a drowning victim? When is drowning? When is drowning? Save her. What are you saving when? Alright. Hulom is to stay submerged into water for a much longer time than just dipping. Dipping is just dipping, tusmaw, but for a shorter period of time, while hulom is really enjoying the water, just staying there, and so hulom. Hulom. Immerse into water. Lublob. Loblob. The opposite of lublob is takas, or to get out of the water. So, Aki, if you're done swimming, it's time for you to takas. It's not to escape from jail. Show us takas move. So, takas is to get out of the pool. Yay!
Okay, balik.
Balik. She will not come out of the water.
Come here, come here, come here. Come here na.
She will not.
She will not.
Taka won't go away. Takas. Alright, so this is takas. There you have it, our Ilonggo swimming moves here at Santa Fe Resort. So it's time for us to takas and go home. Bye-bye! If you have some comments, like us and subscribe for more of our Ilonggo words.